Good evening, everyone. Today is September 22, 2025. This is Wilhelmina Ford. This is my virtual office. I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. I know you bump into my different video. YouTube is the best site to search information. Wilhelmina is giving you knowledge on how to secure gold properly in West Africa. Don't you know that West Africa produce precious mineral? Don't you know that Africa is a 54 countries produce different precious mineral like gold, cashew, diamond, bauxite, gas, coffee, etc., etc. Now, Wilhelmina focusing to handle precious mineral, which is gold and rough diamond. Now, gold is highest demand compared to diamond because diamond it fluctuate as well, and the price of gold it fluctuate. Now the price of gold is not fixed. I know you've been searching for gold, especially buyer in Dubai. They travel to Africa from different country like Ghana. They travel to Ghana, disaster. They travel to Kampala, disaster. They travel to Congo, disaster. They travel to Nairobi, disaster. They travel to Tanzania, disaster. They travel as well in Mali and Sierra Leone and Conakry, disaster. Why I call disaster? Buyers think that they can travel to Africa to pay taxes only. Gold is taxable. That is normal. You have to purchase the gold plus government valued added tax. That is normal. In your country, you pay, when you do the shopping, you pay VAT because gold is commodity. You purchase commodity, there is always valued added tax. Now, last week, the price of gold was 3,540 per ounce. Now, today is Monday. The price of gold is 3,723.13 per ounce. It fluctuates, so there is no fix. So I've given you information. At the same time, I've also given you on how to secure gold properly. Full corporate offer is on this video. Now, if you're gonna bump this video on my YouTube channel, pay attention. Don't rush, don't be excited. Wait for this video to finish, and then when you finish, subscribe and click below. Give me a like if you like it, and if you don't like it, it's okay. But you gain knowledge. No such seller explaining you like this, none whatsoever. Even a chain of joker broker would not explain to you like this. Now, why I explain to you like this? My seller is the one who hired Wilhelmina to promote Africa. I handle Mali, Conakry, and Sierra Leone only. Now, Mali produce gold and bauxite and diamond and gas. So Mali is the third largest gold producer in West Africa. Mali has 4 refineries, DNGM, Kankamusa, Russian refinery, and Marina. Now, DNGM is a government refinery. Kankamusa is Italian group of companies, a big refinery, 500 meters away from the airport. I was in Mali. I know Mali. Now, in Conakry, they are dealing, they are dealing with the central bank. Mhm. And there is also a small facility to taste the gold in Conakry. But most of the transaction, the owner of the gold will bring the gold to the central bank in order for them to export to you. Now, most of the buyer travel to Conakry thinking that you can get the gold, bring the gold to the central bank. It wouldn't work. Before the gold will bring to the central bank, you have to have a contract with us. How many quantity you want? We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. There is a minimum. You are buying $1,000,000, therefore you need to spend $1,000,000 as well. Because gold is worth $1,000,000. 20 kilos is already $1,000,000. If you don't have $1,000,000, how could you function your business? Don't travel if you don't have capital. Don't travel. And you travel to Africa, you want to verify. Well, you verify. You can go to Central Bank, you can go to Mali, you can go to Sierra Leone. You verify. Because the government will say, well, our selling price is premium. Yes. Now I'm going to explain step by step in order for you, Mr. Buyer, to understand. Now going back to Mali, you need to have a contract before you travel to Mali. And if you want to buy gold from us, Wilhelmina is your business facilitator. Wilhelmina is the seller, marketing consultant, and mandate. For short, I am a gatekeeper. And for short, I am your business facilitator. You come to Wilhelmina, I facilitate. My seller hired Wilhelmina to market to the world. I'm the one who put Africa to the map, to the world. So I am different from chain of joker broker. I am different. I am not an agency. The owner of the gold hired me, the company hired me in order to interview you. The company hired me in order to validate you. The company hired me from Africa in order to scrutinize you so that you don't waste the time. Time is money. So you don't need to waste the time. You're lucky that you bump into Wilhelmina's video, and it's really very thorough, and this is a knowledge that you would never find to any joker broker. I call them joker. Why? They're dealing with a lot of chain of broker. Then they're gonna ask for commission. We don't pay double commission. Instead, we deal directly to the main buyer in order for the buyer to get the profit. Now, Mr. Buyer, you don't need to deal with chain of joker broker no more. We are now on digital. You know, when I purchase product through digital information via Facebook, I buy massage via Facebook. I buy cream via Facebook, advertise. I advertise as well that Africa is the main source of gold and diamond. I advertise. That is why you bump into my video, because I put everything in order for you to see what you are looking for. You don't need to running around. You don't need to. You have the phone, you have a connection, you have a WhatsApp, you have a LinkedIn, you have Skype, you have Botim. You can search anything on digital. We are now on digital information. Wilhelmina is bringing you this information which is very unique, that you would never find any seller will explain to you. Why? The owner of the gold have no time to bullshit. I'm sorry if my language is very rough, because I done it purposely. There's a saying, you need to be cruel to be loved. This is $1,000,000. You must remember, if you commit mistake, bingo, you are going to encounter disaster. Now, Mr. Bayo, I know you've been searching for gold. I know you encounter as well disaster. Welcome to the club. I have also encountered disaster, but I move on. I learn in order for me to share it with you so that you will not repeat it again. Now, as you know, today gold is high demand, and there is a prediction end of 2025 the price might turn to 4,000 per ounce. Now, at the moment, the price of gold is 3,723.13, which is 119. 119.714.89 today. This is the price on the world market. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. Now, this is the price per ounce. You must remember. This is per ounce. So don't bank on it because the price goes up every minute. So gold, it fluctuates. So I'm just showing you the price of the day today is September 22, 2025. Now we are now almost 4,000. 4,000 per ounce. Multiply that to 32. 4,000 per ounce. Multiply that 32.15. This could be the price before ending 2025. At the moment, the price of gold per ounce is 3,723.13 at the moment. Okay? On dollars term, 119.714.89 per kilo. This is the price at the moment. Okay, so before end 2025, we are now September, October, November, December, 3 months from now, this price of gold could be 4,000 per kilo. 4,000 per ounce, 4,000 per ounce. Okay? 4,000 per ounce, 32.15. This could be the price. Any moment, we're almost 4,000. It is already 3,723. Maybe next month could be 4,000 per ounce. Now, Mr. Buyer, how can I help you? I know you know me. You've been bumped into my YouTube channel and on my Facebook, but you're still reluctant because you want to get cheap price. My dear gold trader, gold is not cheap. Gold has many uses. Gold can make into false teeth. Gold can make into wedding ring. Gold can make into bracelet. Gold can make into necklace. Gold can make into earrings. Gold can make into 99.99. Gold can make into $1, $2. Gold can make into spare parts on mobile phone. Gold can make into industrial spare parts. So you're not buying banana here. You're buying premium item. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. So tell me, Mr. Buyer, how can I help you? How come that you have not find the real seller? Why? Why are you still roaming around? I know you went to Kampala. I know you went to Nairobi. Disaster. I know you went to Ghana. Disaster. I know you went to Sierra Leone. You're stuck in Sierra Leone. I know you went to Mali. Stuck as well. And when you're stuck in Mali, then you call to Wilhelmina. I cannot help you. We don't deal buyer already on the ground. This morning, there was a buyer staying at a Nome Hotel in Conakry. looking for gold. He couldn't find. And then he searched on YouTube. He bumped into my video. And I interviewed him. And I asked him, how long you been in Conakry? 3 days. How many sellers you been talking? Oh, madam, seller didn't agree on what my terms. And I told him, of course. The owner of the gold knows the price of the world market. And you know what he said to me? Madam, the owner of the gold sell 3%. Really? So, because the owner of the gold knows. And I told him I cannot help you. And he think that he can get gold cheap price. I said, my dear, gold is not cheap. Gold is premium. Gold is the world asset. So I explained to him. And he said, Madam, what price are you giving me? And I told him, you did not introduce yourself. How could I believe you? And you're already stuck. So I found out he's Indian, searching for cheap price, thinking he can get gold, no upfront fee. I told him there's no upfront fee. You have to pay. You have to pay, whether you like it or not. You cannot take the gold out of the country without full payment in the name of yours, because you need to get the export documentation, asset report, attestation, ownership, custom clearance, etc. And he knows me. And I told him, you know, you're very clever. You know me, and then you travel, and then when you encounter disaster, you come back to Wilhelmina. And I'm not a policewoman. I told this Indian. The most gold lovers are Indian, but Indians are bargainer. And when I mentioned to my head office that the buyer is Indian, my head office reluctant to deal with Indian. And I told my head office, don't close the door. I will handle it. If the buyer, doesn't matter what nationality he is, whether he is Australian, Asian, Chinese, Indians, or from Dubai, as long as they have the money, they can get the gold. If you don't have the cash, of course you cannot get the gold. Most Indian, they travel all over Africa, thinking they can get gold, CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. To us, we don't deal CIF. We deal only FOB, bank to bank. There is a process to get this premium. There is a process to get this precious mineral. There is. And most of you are cutting corners. Buyer from UK, you want to cut corner. Buyer from Dubai, you want to cut corner. Buyer from Australia, they want to cut corner. Buyer from China and Hong Kong, they want to cut corner. Cutting corner is very dangerous. Just like when you drive a car and you're drunk and the car is winding road, what happened? You made an accident. Buying gold, exactly the same. This is very tricky business if you're not very careful. If you don't have a capital, yes, you wouldn't get the gold, and at the end of the day, you are going to fail because the owner of the gold are very wise. They would not give his gold for nothing. They dig gold under the heat of the sun, and then you're just traveling to Africa thinking you can get and make profit, and then you become multi-millionaire. You will become multi-millionaire step by step. Talk to Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina will assist you. Now, let's talk about my services. You come to my YouTube channel, right? You listen to this video. There is a wording on the screen. We'll read that, watch that from the beginning to the end. Okay? And then after you listen to this video, you click below, give me a like or subscribe. Don't rush. Don't come to Wilhelmina unless you understand. Because the full corporate offer is already on every video. And I don't want to explain no more. Just read it, digest it, scroll, what necessary requirement you are going to convince us, especially Wilhelmina. And when you come for conference, make sure you are ready to do business. Make sure you are ready to proceed. Now, when you come for video conference, I'm gonna ask you, how did you found my number? How did you get my number? And do not come for conference on WhatsApp or Messenger saying hi, hello. You need to introduce yourself because you already see Wilhelmina. So therefore, my name is not hello. My name is Wilhelmina Ford. So you need to act professionally because I am giving you more knowledge on how to acquire supply for your business. You are buying $1 million here, right? So therefore, you need to be professional. You need to act as a businessman because I act as a businesswoman. Now we are now on the modern technology. We are now interviewing. I am now interviewing you. Live video call. If you're from Dubai, download Botem. If you are in Africa or Europe, we can do Zooming or WhatsApp video call. If you're from United Kingdom, we can talk live video call. Don't hide your face. A minute you don't like to open your camera, to me, I start to wonder. Why? Maybe you're a criminal. You're hiding your face. I'm not hiding my face. I'm not. I'm not a criminal. Maybe you are. Because why are you hiding your face? A criminal is scared to be exposed. You don't need to be scared. You don't. Me, I'm exposed. My face are everywhere. Because I want to correct you. I want to clean Africa. There was a buyer that I was dealing with him, and he go behind my back. Yeah, he think he's smart. Yeah, if I mention his name, all the credential is with me. I'm telling you, he gonna be embarrassed. And I was talking to him November 12, 2024. I've given him a good negotiation. And also the seller is also stupid. And you know the seller, excuse my language, the owner of the gold will change his mind. That is why I need to inform you that when you talk to Alamina, when I given you a good negotiation price, that contract is only good for 7 days, no more 14 days. This is the instruction of my head office. We don't give 14 days, no more. The contract good only for 7 days. If you don't fulfill and if the price goes up, then our price also goes up. So you better think about it. You already meet Walamina. I know you've been looking for gold. You know that gold is precious. You know that gold has a value. Now, Mr. Gold Trader, tell me, how can I help you? Tell me, what price are you looking for? Are you looking for 10 carats? Are you looking for 12 carats? Are you looking for 14 carats? Are you looking for 18 carats? Are you looking 21 carats? Or 22 carats? Or 24 carats? Now, 24 carats already refined. You are buying 22 plus, which is 23 carats. Our selling price today is 109,730 per kilo. Today. Tomorrow is different. But don't panic because Wilhelmina is here for you. Now, Mr. Buyer, I do charge my extra service to assist you, to accompany you in Africa. I will determine during our conference. I will determine when we're gonna travel, when you are ready, and which seller I'm going to take you, which country I'm going to take you. Either Mali, Conakry, Sierra Leone. During our interview, we need to have an interaction, live video call. Then I can size up our conversation. Instead of 5%, I'm going to charge you my extra service. I might consider to pressure my head office to give you 8%. But don't bank on it. Once you convince Wilhelmina, I'm going to help you to negotiate the price more than 8% because there is also costing. And I'm sure you make profit, but on the first trial, your profit is just minimal. But if you continue ordering for 12 months, yes, your profit could be 80%. You become multimillionaire in a year's time, but not on the first time, because the first time is a trial. You are building your business relationship with us. You're building your business relationship to the head office who own the gold, because my head office would not believe you until I vouch you. He wouldn't believe it because he gave me the power to negotiate for you, and the head office give me the power to reject you or to say yes or no to you. So I have the power. Now, Mr. Buyer, I do charge my extra service to accompany you in order to assist you in the office. And I have the power to ask the head office to give you a leeway. So we have to put that on the contract. You cannot travel unless you are well prepared. You will receive the confirmation. Once I gather all your vital information, a copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, the proof of fund, your bank statement, and you need to apply money laundering certificate. You can apply that online. That is for your own benefit. Why? Because when you transfer money from your bank account to Africa, Africa is a red flag of gold laundering as well. And you are also red flag of money laundering. So your money must be clean. How do I know? Dubai has changed now. They will ask you, why are you transferring money in Africa? Because gold in Dubai are all smuggled. So Dubai is getting strict. Yes. So I'm giving you the information. Now, you're going to say, well, Amina, I want to buy gold in Sierra Leone. That's fine. I will guide you. I will take you. But I will gather first your vital information before you're going to receive the contract. And I will guide you which shipping agent. I will put that on the contract. Then you can contact the shipping agent. My head office in Sierra Leone using this shipping agent. Recently, I think June, my head office delivered 200 kilos in Dubai. A jeweler buyer. But we don't divulge our customer. That is a privacy. We can only open the book when you come in the office. Yeah? But I have the file. I will not release it because you never know. You're just pretending to be a buyer. And we don't give the buyer contact number because he doesn't like to be contacted by a stranger. But I'm going to give you the shipping agent of Sierra Leone. We will put that on the contract. Then you can talk to Johnson, mention my name, then you will be happy dealing with Sierra Leone. Now in Conakry, dealing with Sky Cargo, the office is in the airport. In Mali, you can deal with them. Kankamusa, they have their own shipping agent. So actually, that's not my job, but I'm helping you because you're paying my extra service. You're gonna say, well, Amina, how much you are going to charge your extra? Well, you're spending $1 million, right? My services is also expensive. You're buying expensive item. I know $20,000 is peanuts. I know that. You're spending $1 million, but in return, instead of 5% or 3%, 5%, I will negotiate the price on your behalf. 8 to 10% maybe, but don't bank on it. Because I have the power to pressure the head office for you because you're paying my extra. So where are you gonna get this information? There was a guy from Zimbabwe and he bumped into my video 2 years ago, and the buyer from Dubai paying him $35,000 just to travel to Africa, and he was receiving $35,000 for his services. But why he come to Wilhelmina? And you know what he said? I'm impressed with you, Wilhelmina. From Zimbabwe, he said that the gold in Zimbabwe is 3%. Yeah. So how this guy bump into my video? YouTube is the best site. And also Facebook. Now, Mr. Baya, I think I already explained 3 years ago, going back 3 years ago, I warned everyone on my YouTube channel that the gold will rise up any moment or the following year. That was 3 years ago. And I told everyone on my YouTube channel, bank now, secure now, while you can afford. And then you hold on, and then when the price goes up, then you resell it, you make profit. But no one believed me. Well, if you don't believe Wilhelmina, that's fine. One day you will remember. One day you will recall that, oh yeah, Wilhelmina was right. Now today, the price of gold is 3,723,000 plus per ounce, which is 119,714.89. So the price goes up. Our selling price on 2022, 110. Just a moment, I'm going to go on the world market because the price of gold, it fluctuates. Just bear with me. Okay. Yes, the price of gold is 119,848.89 per kilo. So don't panic. I'm here. Wilhelmina is very kind and generous. I will sacrifice. In fact, my seller said, Wilhelmina, you're giving away. Gold is money. I said, let them come in. Let them establish trust between buyers and seller, because we will review the price. When the price goes up, our price is not fixed as well. So in the beginning, you get the good price. Start a trial. Make it 20 or 50. Because you can get good profit. You're going to say, well, Amina, how much is my profit? Actually, that's not my business. But if I'll give you a very good price, guaranteed your profit 9,500 per kilo. Guaranteed on 8%. Your profit is 9,490 on 20 kilos or 50 kilos. But the 1 kilo, 5 kilos is not worth it. Why? Because there is a cost. Yeah. Remember our selling price, tax included, eh? On 8%, tax included. Except shipping cost and insurance. But our price, good only for 7 days. Instead of 14 days. So that when the price goes up, our price as well changes. So hurry now. Don't wait for too long. Don't wait for months or weeks that the gold will turn to 4,000. At the moment, the price of gold is 3,723 plus. In 2 weeks time or next week or end of this week, might turn to 4,000 per ounce. 4,000 per ounce, 32.15. This could be the price. I don't know. If you have $1 million, You're gonna be scared, right? Don't be scared. You're in business. You don't need to be scared. You're a jewelry manufacturer. You have $1 million. You can afford that. You have a refinery. You can afford that. That's why you're traveling to Africa. Indian is a gold lover. To bring gold in India, the importation tax is 12%. That is why they registered their company in Dubai. And then they're gonna refine it into jewelry. Then they bring it to India. I know the secret. So you cannot fool me, Wilhelmina, and you cannot fool my seller, because I'm going to protect you and the seller. I am the gatekeeper. You will not get gold from us unless you come to Wilhelmina. Believe me. Don't deal with the owner of the gold that doesn't show their credential. I have the credential of the head office. I will only release it when I get your credential. First, I will release it once I receive it. Then we will send you a confirmation. We'll send you the contract. Before you will receive the contract, I will gather your email address, your position, your office address whenever you are, your email address and telephone number, because we are going to send you a letter of confirmation addressed to you. Dear Mr. So-and-so, thank you that you acquiring 20 kilos or 50 kilos. You were talking to Wilhelmina, signed by my CEO. Then you will be issued a landing visa as the company gets together with Wilhelmina. Does that make sense now, Mr. Buyer? Subscribe, give me a like, click below, read it, relax, take time and digest it. When you're ready, come for live video call. If you're in Dubai again, download Botim. If you're in Australia, we can talk on WhatsApp or Zooming. Yeah, we can talk on Skype, no issue. Don't be scared if our conversation is recorded, because you are going to give you a copy. I will give you a copy, okay? And don't muck around, because if you muck around, I have the file and then I can expose you. So be honest. Do the business straightforward. Don't be crooked, because all our conversation is recorded, automatic. So you don't need to be scared, because I have to share it. You know, when you come for live conference, you're gonna be live with Wilhelmina. Why you gonna be scared? You don't need to be scared. If you're a businessman, you don't need. Wilhelmina is here. This is my virtual office. There is no gold in my virtual office. The gold is in Africa. I will take you there, then you can take the gold. There is no gold here. There is no gold in Brisbane. Most of the big company in Africa, they position their business in Mali, position their business in Burkina Faso, position their mining business in Mali, they position their mining business in Ghana, Sierra Leone, Conakry, and the rest of Africa. I am your gatekeeper to get the supply. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. I shall see you at any moment. Don't be panicked. Talk to Wilhelmina. I'm very kind and generous. You don't need to be scared with me. Okay? Thank you.